Hello everyone, this is Miss Sargent, and here is my science corner geared towards grades kindergarten through second. Science corner rules: 3 students at a time, be polite and mindful of those around you, share books and other equipment, stay focused and on task, clean up your area before you leave, and most importantly, have fun. The NGSS standard we will be focusing on is to use observations to describe patterns of what plants and animals, including humans, need to survive. So for our first activity, we will read a book called A Fish Out of Water. And this book is about a little boy who goes to the pet store to get a pet fish. And the pet store owner gives him directions on how to care for the fish at home. The little boy decides to go home and switch things up, and crazy things happen with his fish. So after we read this book, students will go over to our science corner and observe our class pet, which is our pet fish named Harry. And they will use their journals to write down all the things that a fish needs in order to survive. So how we would take care of Harry in our own classroom. Our next activity will be done using iPads. So they will each get an iPad, and there will be an app downloaded called Explore WWR Free Rivers. And this activity will take place after we have a lesson and learn about the importance of water and how plants, animals, and humans need it to survive. So during this app, students will actually be able to develop their own landscaped area. And while they play the game, they will discover how important the river is that flows through the landscape is to the wildlife there, the people there, and just to the landscape in itself. So they'll notice different changes that happen if they don't have the river flowing, while they do have it, how much water is being used, and etc. Our next activity is called the Great Bean Race. So students will be provided with 2 Ziploc bags each and 6 dry beans and 2 paper towels. So each student will write their name on their Ziploc bags, and then in the first Ziploc bag, students will dampen a paper towel with water. Just enough, like not too much so that it's completely soaked and dripping, but just enough to moisten the bean. So once they dampen their paper towel, they will fold it so that it fits inside the Ziploc bag. Once they have it inside the Ziploc bag, they will place 3 beans on the paper towel inside of it and then close it up. In the second bag, they will do the same thing, but instead of dampening the paper towel with water, we are going to use soda. So once they do that, they're going to fold it into the Ziploc bag again and then add 3 more beans to this one. So after that, we will observe our bags every day and see what changes happen. The last activity is geared towards measurement, and it is called How High Can We Go? So each day, students will go over to their bags and observe what they see, and they will write these observations in their journal. So each day, there should be 2 journal entries, one for the bag with water and one for the bag with soda. These entries should include the date, the height, and what it is that they see and observe. Next to each of these entries, there should also be a picture. So they will draw what they see as well. And at the end of this unit and the end of this process, students will create a graph of the different measurements that they have collected and compare their findings and then present their findings to the class. So that is our science corner. Thank you.